Hello and welcome back to Gapey's AeroGarden. I still have almost the same things as last time in here, but I did decide to give another try at getting a rocoto pepper to germinate. So I just put that in this week, so nothing has come up yet. But this is the red rocoto, and it's a different seed source, so I'm hoping I have better luck with that one. And then we have our basil, so I did top it off, so it's already growing split out here and getting a lot more new leaves. I have a ton of basil in the greenhouse, so I'm probably going to be taking this out because I don't think I really need any in here. And we also have the Cameo Basil too, which is a container basil, so it won't get as big as the other basil, so I might just keep that one in there just for fun, unless it starts taking over the place. But we have the fennel. It's also getting pretty sprawled out. I'm going to leave that in there for now, but I might take it out as well. And then we have the curly parsley, which I've been harvesting. And I don't have any parsley in the garden this year because I ran out of seeds, so I may just keep that one in there. And then we still have our purple pak choi back here, and it's still doing pretty good, so maybe I'll get to harvest that here before too long. So let's go ahead and take out this basil. I might try transplanting it into the garden just to see if that would work or not. So let's see if we can get this out without doing too much damage to the roots. So we got a lot of roots in here. So there's our roots, and that was after trimming it 2 weeks ago. It's pretty hot outside today, so I think I'm just going to set this in some water and wait until tonight to put that in the ground. And we'll just put let's get some more of these roots out of here. We'll go ahead and put this cap on to keep the light from getting into the AeroGarden and causing a bunch of algae. So we're down to 1, 2, 3, 4 things in the AeroGarden, and actually I think I'm going to go ahead and move this basil over here. You can see the roots on there are getting kind of long. Just going to move that over here so it has more room. Okay, and then we'll put the cap on over here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and try and get this out of this plastic container here. I've already separated the prongs on the bottom to kind of loosen up the roots so I can pull them out. So let's see if this is going to work. I'll probably tear some of the roots, but there's so many that it probably doesn't really matter. So it could take a little while to get all these roots out. Alright, there we go. So there's a little bit of roots stuck in there, but we got it out. So we should be good to go. I decided I didn't want to wait and put this in the ground, so I'm just going to be putting this in a terracotta pot with some potting mix. Not sure if this is going to work or not, but I thought I'd give it a try, and I'll give you an update in 2 weeks and let you know how it went. I'm going to go ahead and bring this inside where it's a little bit cooler. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon.